Hi everyone, welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, your friendly English guide, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Adam. Together, we'll help you learn English through stories, emotions, and real-life conversations.
Because English isn't just grammar or books, it's life. It's how we talk, laugh, dream, and connect with people everywhere.
In every episode, we'll explore everyday topics, like travel, friendship, food, jobs, and feelings, so you can speak English naturally and confidently.
You'll learn new words, real expressions, and fun idioms. And we'll practice them together, so you can sound fluent step by step.
So if you're an English learner who loves warm stories, easy lessons, and friendly vibes,
this is your world. Welcome to Amjee's English World. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.
let's start learning, one story at a time.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and I'm so happy you're here to learn English with us today.
And I'm Adam. Today's topic is really special. We're talking about learning new skills, the path to online success.
Yes, whether you're studying, working, or dreaming about starting something online, learning new skills can change your life.
It's true. I still remember. When I learned my first online skill, it was graphic design.
Really? That's cool. Tell us the story, Adam.
Okay, it was 2 years ago. I wanted to earn money online, but I had no idea how. So I took a free online course, and every night I practiced designing little posters on my old laptop.
Wow, that's inspiring. You started small.
Exactly. My first designs were terrible. Ha ha. But I kept learning, watching tutorials, and improving little by little. After 2 months, someone hired me for a small project.
That's amazing. And that's what online success really means. Not giving up and growing step by step.
Yes. So today we'll talk about how to describe your skills in English and how to talk about learning something new online.
Here are some useful English. Words to talk about skills. One skill, something you can do well. Example, I have computer skills. To learn, to get new knowledge. Example, I'm learning English. 3, improve, to make something better. Example, I want to improve my speaking. 4, practice, to do something many times to get better. Example, practice every day to get results. 5, success, when you reach your goal. Example, success comes with effort.
Let's say these together. Repeat after us. I'm learning English.
I want to improve my speaking.
I practice every day.
Success comes with effort.
Nice job. You sound great.
Now, let's learn some real-life English expressions about learning. 1, practice makes perfect. If you do something often, you'll get better. 2, learn the ropes. It means to learn how something works, especially at a new job or online skill. 3, never stop learning. It's simple but powerful. Keep growing your mind.
Let's practice together.
Repeat, practice makes perfect.
I'm learning the ropes.
Never stop learning.
Now it's your turn, Alice. What's a skill you learned online?
Mine was voice recording and editing. At first, I didn't even know how to use a microphone, but I followed a small online course, practiced every day, and slowly got better.
That's awesome. You sound professional now.
Thank you. You know, at first I thought, I can't do this. But then I realized, if you can read, watch, and practice, you can learn anything online.
Exactly. Learning new skills is like climbing a hill. One small step at a time, and then suddenly you look back and realize how far you've come.
Let's practice some motivational English sentences together. Ready? Repeat after us.
I can learn new skills.
I believe in myself.
Every day, I'm improving.
I'm on the path to success.
That's the spirit.
Let's review today's keywords one more time. Skill, learn, improve, practice, success.
And don't forget the idioms. Practice makes perfect. Learn the ropes. Never stop learning.
Perfect.
Friends, if you're learning English, you're already learning one of the most powerful skills in the world.
Yes, English can open doors to jobs, travel, and online opportunities. But remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being better than yesterday.
Well said, Alice. So whether you're learning English, video editing, design, or coding, your journey starts with one simple step: try.
Exactly. Keep learning, keep growing, and don't forget to enjoy the process. Thanks for joining us on Amjee's English World. If you enjoyed today's story, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your learning friends.
And tell us in the comments, what new skill are you learning right now? We'd love to cheer you on.
Until next time, remember, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep growing.